Ki nong mi khmat jong ka regional committee balakli daw ba president tensong sembut menteri rangba ke Jela Meghalaya haringkat ki MLA bat ki officer nakaliang ke Jela Meghalaya bat Piyush Hazarika menteri ka Assam haringkat ki officer jong u mentakasngi hakasin ka baar kilalik biang banjurip ye ka thain khaput jong ke Jela Meghalaya bat Assam haka thain Ribhoi district bat Kamrup nakabenta ban penbe yo pod usam Kita kinong wikmat jong ki arteli ki jila kilalik banjurip haki benta jong ki shnong baper haki khaput jong ka himanong sepung bahap haga jirang blok bakentup ya ka shnong haula bakla para jimbri gaun lengkung bat gaun kumshi benta ban beteng ya ka jing jurip ya ka shnong khaput bat ban penbek no kham kloy yo pod usam Lairan ringkat ha ketegisngi daw ba da saket bha lamare menteri ka tanat transport ke jila uba Miral Bonds aim MLA ke Nongpo ba Sustenance Sotun MLA ke Jirang bat ikong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District bat ru kiwe ki officer bat kinong elam shnong lawan ru ban sakhilang takipat ba nong shong shnong jong kite ki shnong hakate ke jinglet jurep bat twat jingmut ru halor kamon jong kipat ba shanu ki kwa ban lek ki babon ki pat ba nong shong shnong hakate ke tan ki pen pau baki kwa bandon haka Jela Meghalaya kumbabon na ki jaka ki puta bat ki jaka rip jongki ki don hapo ka Jela Meghalaya la ban pen ken mau ba ka regional committee ka Assam bat Meghalaya haka khandai trik urisau ki lalik ban jurip haru pratali ki shnong hakaput ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka baha baki artli ki cluster kata ka Khanapara bat ka Pilang kata cluster henry kani ka jingwan jurip kamshim la penhun satia ye ki pa ba haka thain Pilang kata namar ka jingwan jurip umentri ka sarkar Assam ulawan ban kamlut wat ye jaka jong ki Meghalaya ki bo omdei satia ki bahap shaka Jela Assam chito mentangin ye pe ye ka khubor ka babnia
kabangingin ong bagi sim mangi karai den rei pi don kami bengin yo I katokan ne ka eka sentiment ka eka jiks ngau jongki nong shong shdong hakini ki jaka tinak da ngo pi ngip masi ban lek bangi pej atak ka eka mon ki babun ki balang den rei kumo pi ki babun ki jaka ilong undecisive plus untuk bai ki bukti yang ni ki ong bangi don chan ni Meghalaya ro ka biang ni don cha Assam ro ka biang ni kada ko long namar ba ya ka property ka bagi don ya ka jaka ka puta ka bagidon namar ka sistem hangi hapo Meghalaya kalong ngidon ki sim ngidon ki hima nang tangi hir sapo sigirat hir sigisnong de ngangit skem ba ngi follow ya ka sistem ka bajule nadu mensua hadu kini kiski ka bata nakada ko mopi nakaliang jog regional committee ngimsim ka ikai karairu den rei ka bangin su submit hi ya report sikini ki ar ngut ki chief minister hakaba kadu maki kin sasim ya karai kaba kadu
ya ba ide bagi kot Islam
jing besar ko menia kata ngau bi ngi ke kopending ngin besar menia iki kot Islam ya kata ngau bi lada kiladon jaka Meghalaya kamu kan nek kum tai namar bable yu ngau bi lada kiladon jaka kamu kilak pendep yu proses provide ke sistem kum bakalong lebih tak kum nuk yu jaka Meghalaya keji yu jaka Meghalaya kamu de lembah kisim de lembah ka lembah kiklan kalau menong ka rigraj kalau menong kerikur kalau menong prisim lem tak kum nukin yu jaka de ya kata ngau bi syadid naman ngi kren suamenta ya kan ke isu ke boundary ke bandon ki differences bandon pedeng joki ki bekwa ban lecha sha Assam don pedeng ki bekwa ban wan cha Meghalaya dengan try kata ke isu ke bakmad re ya kalan isu ngong pingi hap ban ya tik kat kum ka lantin yo system ke bangi don hang depo Mr. Hazarika who represents the government of Meghalaya as well as my colleague myself from Meghalaya. We are here together with Mr. Hazarika, with his team, with his officers. And this again, I just wanted to remind all of you, this situation that we reach in this place, it is just because of both the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We wanted to resolve the issue of boundary in few places, and today is the last day for us where we visited these differences where we already had. So now I'm telling you, from the regional committee, both of us, we will prepare a report based on the facts, based on the sentiment of the people. We will send the report within 30th of this month, to our respective chief ministers. From Assam, Mr. Hazarika, he'll submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and then for Meghalaya, we will submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and thereafter there will be again a joint meeting between chief ministers, and they will take a call accordingly to this. So once again, I'm so thankful to the villagers. They were so cooperative with all of us. We have seen, especially today, 3-4 places we visited, and they spent their time, and then they really cooperate with us. They have shown their own sentiments. As I said to you, ultimately, we hope both the chief ministers will take a correct decision, the right one, which both sides will be benefited and also will be happy to all section of people and all the interests of the citizens of both their state, Meghalaya and Assam.
Nas kwa pani thuyu phi ba na kalian kahimanos pung jongi na do ba ngi kahimanos pung kladon kane ka jaka kade ka jongi kade jaka kade jongi na do kisnem khandai spa ar ba ter hadu mentang na sensiar ben na kahimanos pung jongi wa ting chief la neus em jong kahimanos pung dan mar kata kata nga kwa pani thuyu phi ka Assam ada kawan ban snai ki project ki development hang nero ka jusiem ya ka NOC na kahima jongi dengan kuat bansai, baik jongi hene ba, hene kan jaka kan dega jongi, pada ka Assam ro kan Yuan Bansai Development kum hosna barja kharway, MLA jong ka Assam Wan Siem kan NOC, na em ramba jongi ba Pita Raja Simyong, bat kum juro hosna barja khanreu, ka Assam kamur Bansai kini surok yang juswai, hakini ki jaka ha Bansiem NOC na kahima jongi, nak kata daw. Nas kuat pani thuyu phi yakini ki member hane ki badam hane ngi de bansa ba po ka Meghalaya badro lada don ki breu jongi ki bakwa ban len no sha Assam hila ban lai tang ba ka jaka ka de bi ka jongi bat ni dak sensiar ba mangi hadu unta mane tang ki ne bless you.